Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Summers call for cool, refreshing drinks, and today I'm going to share a wonderful lemonade with a twist. It's a little different from the usual lemonade that we normally make. I can't wait to share it with you guys and you don't want to miss it. Let's get started and check it out. For this drink, I'm using these fresh green limes because it's got a nice tartness to it. I've taken 5 large green limes for this drink. Just cut them into half. If you can't find these in the market, don't worry about it. You can just make it with your regular lemons. So the first step is to take the juice from these limes. If there are any seeds, just make sure you remove all the seeds from the juice. So once you have the lime juice, just leave this aside. Now let's start making the drink. To a blender, add a few ice cubes. Now I'm adding the lime juice. Next, add a pinch of salt. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next, I'm adding about 1 cup of condensed milk. Now you can adjust the sweetness according to the quantity of limes or lemons you're using and the tartness of the fruit. Just going to dilute this with a little water. You can add about 1.5 to 2 cups to blend. Just blend everything together till you get a nice, smooth and creamy drink. The fresh and creamy lemonade is ready. So let's assemble the drink. Take a nice large glass, just fill it up with a lot of ice cubes and pour in that beautiful creamy lemonade. Garnish it with a slice of lime and enjoy it nice and cool. This is best served nice and chilled. For the rising temperatures, this is going to literally cool you down. I can't wait to try this. Oh my God. It's so refreshing. Nice tanginess of the lemon and the condensed milk. Oh, the flavors are just perfect. Cheers. That was absolutely refreshing. Go to the market, get those nice fresh lemons and whip this up. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.